With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says X, an organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen only, contains 1.92 gram of carbon and 0.48 gram of hydrogen. If the compound weighs 3.68 gram and has the vapor density of 69, find the molecular formula of the compound. So let's start the question. First, let's write the mass of the given compound is equal to 3.68 grams. Then the mass of carbon is equal to 1.92 gram and mass of hydrogen is equal to 0.48 grams. So we can calculate the mass of oxygen as mass of compound, which is 3.68 gram, minus mass of carbon, which is 1.92, plus mass of hydrogen, which is 0.48 grams. This will comes out to be 1.28 grams. Now let's write mass of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen and moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So the mass of carbon given to us is 1.92 grams, hydrogen 0.48 grams and oxygen 1.28 grams. The moles of carbon will be 1.92 divided by 12, which is the molar mass of carbon. That will comes out to be 0.16 moles. Then hydrogen 0.48 divided by 1 will be equal to 0.48 moles, and for oxygen 1.28 grams divided by 16, which will comes out to be 0.08 moles. Now from here, as the lowest moles is for oxygen, so we will divide all of them by 0.08. 0.16 divided by 0.08 comes out to be 2. 0.48 divided by 0.08 will be equal to 6, and 0.08 divided by 0.08 will be equal to 1. So now let's write the empirical formula, which will be equal to C2H6O. Then let's calculate the empirical mass of the compound, which will be equal to twice into molar mass of carbon, so it will be twice of 12, plus 6 into molar mass of hydrogen, 6 into 1 plus 16, which is molar mass of oxygen. This will comes out to be 46 grams. Now it is given to us that vapor density of the given compound is equal to 69, and we know that molar mass of a compound is equal to twice of the vapor density. Therefore molar mass will be equal to twice of 69, which will be equal to 138. So now we can write the molecular formula of the compound as empirical formula whole N. So it can be written as C2H6O whole N. Okay, this N can be calculated as molar mass divided by empirical mass. So we will substitute the value of molar mass, which is 138, divided by empirical mass, which is 49. So this will comes out to be equal to 3. Now we can write the molecular formula is equal to C2 H6O whole thrice. So it will comes out to be C6H18O3. So this will be the answer of the given question. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.